Good morning. Yeah, Ethan's hand. We are dropping Ethan off. You have the key?
Yeah.
Okay. We're dropping Ethan off so he can do his job, and then Julian and I are going to our rehearsal at church, and then church, and then picking Ethan up, and then yeah. So that's what today is gonna hold. We think our couple of our family members are gonna come and visit today, so that's cool. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. And yeah, I feel like we're running a little behind schedule, but
I wasn't.
no, Ethan was not. But as you can see, if you've been watching my vlog, look, my hair is actually, somewhat not ugly. I let my hair have a rest from hair products and blow drying for about 2 weeks, I think. So for about 2 weeks, my hair was I thought it looked terrible. So and that's why I was wearing a hat most of the time. We made it to church. We parked in the very last spot in the parking lot. Under the tree. And yeah, we're late, but we're here. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
I saw it first.
All right, we are back home from church, and Ethan has requested I get some footage of what he's doing.
It's an apple.
It's an apple. Why?
Because it's all bruised and no one was going to eat it. See if I can...
So, in other news, I'm going to show you something. Look, it's getting there. It is so close to being ready. So close. And of course, there are cottonwood fluffs all over the surface, so yay. Funny story. So we just went to Aldi.
Not so funny for the cashier at Aldi.
We just went to Aldi to pick up a few things that we need. And I was the lucky customer that broke the scanner for the credit card reader. Oh, it's the farmer's market.
Yeah.
I totally forgot that happens on Sundays. So yeah, we had to move to a different register, and that was fun and embarrassing.
Almost, no. See, there you go.
All right, I am taking Ethan to tend to the animals and put them to bed. It's been a fun afternoon hanging out with our family members.
Have you gotten vlog clips?
I got a clip of the ping pong.
Yeah.
There was baseball, there was ping pong, there were video games, yeah. Was there any other sport?
No.
Visiting.
Well, yeah. Catch, but that's
Catch.
baseball.
Yeah. So, it's been
Bike riding.
Oh yeah, bike riding. It has been a very full afternoon, and they're still going to be around
For probably a couple more hours.
yeah, for a couple more hours. So. They're preening my hair. You guys are funny. You're so cute. Uh-oh, uh-oh, he's coming over to me. He's, whoa, oh, hi, hi, hi.
I forgot to say this morning she was preening my eyebrows. Hank, step up. Good boy. Nice. Hank, step up. Hank, step up. Hank, step up. Good bird. Good bird. Good birdie.
It's pretty serious. Oh. Final clip. It's been a good day. So, tomorrow is a new start to a new week. And I guess we're gonna take Cornelius over to visit the other animals. So, we'll see how that goes. Until tomorrow.